Here's how to change the now playing status on Discord, and I'm going to show you how you can change it on your mobile phone. So first, what you can do is head on over to your profile right over here, and then click on set status like that, and then now you can set a custom status and just tell them exactly what the game you are playing is. And then I can set the status to don't clear or clear in 30 minutes or whatever you want, and then simply click on save. And as you can see right over here, it says now playing Fortnite. However, the other option, what you want to do is actually exit out of the Discord app, and then now you want to go onto a Safari or a Chrome. From here in the search bar, you want to type in Discord. And then from here, you just want to click on discord.com. So now it's going to lead you to this web page, and then now you want to click on open Discord on the top right, or if this is your first time logging in from a browsing site, then you want to click on login. So I'm just going to click on open Discord. So essentially now what you've done is basically log into Discord on a desktop site. And so from here, what you want to do is actually, I'm going to zoom in so you can see better, but you want to click on the gear icon right over here. And then from here, you want to click on activity privacy under activity settings. And then as you can see, the first option says display current activity as status message. So that means if it's toggled on, then it's going to tell you what you're doing online. However, it's toggled off, you just make sure that it's toggled on. And that is how you can change the now playing status on your Discord app.